Hello guys, welcome to Book App. In this video we will take a quick look about this Android book app. This app will help readers to download and read PDF books easily. App can give you earning in two ways, first from ads and second from points system in app. Now, let's check out app. User can sign in app easily with Google Login. We have kept profile updation simple and easy. User points are always shown on user dashboard. Categories on dashboard will redirect user to their books. Subcategories will make user more closer to what they really want to read. And finally, user can select which book he wants to read. We have designed very simple user interface so that it looks easy and clean. Just download and read, and points will get deducted from your app wallet. That much simple it is. We have integrated inbuilt PDF reader in this app, so that no need to install any third-party PDF reader app. Okay guys, this was it. All about Book App. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Part 2 video of this app will be published soon, in which payment system can be seen. Contact us and get your Android app developed with us today.